Listen carefully. If you are watching this video right now, it means you still have time to change your life. But one day, you will not have that time anymore. So the question is simple. Will you change your life today, or will you wait until it is too late? Welcome to Daily English Spark. This is the place where you learn English through simple motivational speeches that help you grow your mind, your habits, and your future. Today's message is very important, so stay with me until the end. Nobody is coming to save you. Nobody is coming to fix your life. Nobody is coming to build your dreams for you. If your life is going to change, you must be the one who changes it. Maybe right now you feel stuck. Maybe you feel tired. Maybe you feel like nothing is working no matter how hard you try. But I want you to understand something very important. You are not stuck forever. You are only stuck in a moment. And moments always change. Life is not easy for anyone. Everyone has problems. Some people struggle with money. Some people struggle with family pressure. Some people struggle with school or work. Some people struggle with confidence. But struggle is not failure. Struggle is part of growth. The real problem is not struggle. The real problem is quitting. Most people fail not because they are weak, but because they stop too early. They start something new. They feel excited. They feel motivated. But when things get hard, they quit. They take a break. They say, I will try again later. But later becomes never. This is how dreams die. Not in one big moment, but in small daily decisions. One missed day becomes two. Two becomes a week becomes a month. And slowly, the dream disappears without you even noticing. But successful people are different. They also feel tired. They also feel stress. They also feel fear. But they don't stop. They continue even when it is hard. They continue even when nobody supports them. They continue even when results are not visible yet. That is the real difference. Success is not about talent. Success is not about luck. Success is not about being special. Success is about consistency. Doing something small every day, even when you don't feel like it, is what creates a successful life. You don't need to change everything in one day. You don't need a perfect plan. You don't need perfect motivation. You only need small actions repeated daily. 10 minutes of learning. 10 minutes of practice. 10 minutes of effort. It looks small, but small actions repeated every day become powerful over time. Most people underestimate small actions. They think success must happen fast. They think results must come immediately. But life does not work like that. Everything strong takes time. A strong body takes time. A strong mind takes time. A strong future takes time. While most people are waiting for the perfect moment, successful people are already working, and this is something you must understand clearly. There is no perfect moment. There is no perfect time. There is no perfect situation. If you keep waiting, you will waste your life waiting. The best time to start is always now. Even if you are not ready, start now. Even if you are afraid, start now. Even if you feel weak, start now, because strength does not come before action. Your mind will try to stop you. It will tell you that you are not good enough. It will tell you that you will fail. It will tell you that it is too hard. But your mind is not always telling the truth. It is trying to protect you from discomfort. But growth never comes from comfort. Growth comes from struggle. Growth comes from discipline. Growth comes from doing something even when it is difficult. Every successful person has failed many times. Every successful person has felt doubt. Every successful person has wanted to quit. But they didn't quit. They stayed. And staying is the real secret of success. Not talent, not intelligence, not luck, but staying long enough to win. You must understand that your life is built by what you do every day, not by what you do sometimes. One good day means nothing, but many good days change everything. One bad day means nothing, but many bad days change your direction. That is why discipline is more important than motivation. Motivation is temporary. It comes and goes like emotions. One day you feel strong, the next day you feel weak. If you depend on motivation, your life will always go up and down. But discipline is different. Discipline means doing what you need to do even when you don't feel like doing it. It means showing up when you are tired. It means continuing when you are bored. It means working when nobody is watching. It means building your future quietly. Nobody sees your effort. People only see results. They see success at the end, but they do not see the struggle behind it. They do not see the failures. They do not see the nights of stress. They do not see the days you wanted to quit. But that is where real success is created. You are not behind in life. You are not late. You are not broken. You are in progress, and progress takes time. Every day you continue, you are becoming a stronger version of yourself. So, don't rush your journey. Don't compare your life with others. Don't quit just because things are slow. Slow progress is still progress. Small improvement is still improvement. Even imperfect effort is still powerful. If you continue, your life will change. Slowly at first, then clearly, then completely. But only if you don't stop. One day, you will look back at your life and realize that everything changed because you decided not to give up. That moment will feel powerful because you will understand that your life was never controlled by luck. It was controlled by your decisions. So make the right decision today, not tomorrow, today. Start again, try again, learn again, work again, and keep going. Even when it is hard, even when it is slow, even when you don't feel ready. Because the only people who fail are the ones who stop. And you are not going to stop.